All right, so this is the DJI Action 6 KNF concept cage. So let's take a look at what comes in this package. Looks like it has little instructions. All right, so it says here it weighs 70 grams. All right, so you have like a little foam right here in the inside. All right, so if you get your action camera, don't forget to buy your lens protector. Make sure it locks in. You have your trigger there, on and off button. You have access to your USB-C port. And if you want to open up the opposite side, you have your battery and your memory card. All right, so this one doesn't come with the bottom bracket, so you got to use your original magnetic mount, but it does have your 1/4 inch option on the bottom, and it's still magnetic. Okay, very nice. And let's see how much it weighs. All right, 6970 grams, just as stated. Perfect.